Congratulations, your voice was heard. Not just your words, your emotion, your intention, your quiet longing. Nothing you said was lost. Nothing you prayed was ignored. Your vibration sent a clear signal into the universe, and now the field is responding. You may feel a strange calm, a quiet knowing, a soft reassurance that wasn't there before. That is confirmation. Something you asked for is already moving toward you. A solution, a breakthrough, a shift that will feel like relief. When it arrives, you are not being tested. You are being answered. Your path is adjusting. Your energy is rising. Your blessing is on its way in the most effortless form. You're stepping into a moment where life finally says, "Yes, I heard you." And now it's your turn to receive.